Broken heat shield. Number 1. Heat shields are metal barriers that surround various exhaust system components to protect your car from the heat it emits. Due to their proximity to the ground, heat shields frequently break, frequently in the vicinity of the gas tank, muffler, exhaust piping, and exhaust manifold. This exposes them to both moisture and debris, which increases the likelihood that they will rust. As you might have guessed, if the damage is severe enough, your car may rattle when you accelerate. They do this as they accelerate because the engine is under more stress. More air flows through the exhaust as it works harder, which is where the majority of the heat shields in your car is placed. If you do have to replace one, you'll likely spend between $250 to $300. Otherwise, having it spot welded at a local shop should do the trick.